In Atom, not settings, styles, test. Our test.html is there. So now here student registration form, username is available there. Type equal to text, name equal to username, placeholder available there. Now observe. I want to take an as a username. Enter some name. Now I want to close with paragraph tag. After that, input, type equal to text, name equal to not required, empty, placeholder, enter some name. I can provide it this one. Screen. 1 minute. Okay. Now is it displayed? Atom. Yeah. Okay. So now observe carefully. I have one paragraph tag is there, enter name. Input box is there, type I am given text, name not given. Okay, required. Here values are there. Save this. Test this one. Right click, open with a Google Chrome. Sir, enter username. After that, enter the name. I am entering as a Mahesh. If I am clicking on login, next what it is, why it is coming? Because yes, here thank you dot HTML sir. Okay. For example, remove this, not there. Okay, save. Now go to here, refresh. So now enter name and one field is there. Now we have to check it. These both are independent elements, or is there any relation is there? Relation is there? How? Two are independent elements. Sorry, show me where is the relation here. One is paragraph tag, one is input tag. That is one element. This is one element. Two are different independent elements. Independent. Where is the relation? Yes or no? Both are different elements. One is which tag? Paragraph tag. Second one is input tag. Two elements are there. Two different elements, independent elements are there. It will be displayed. First one enter name. Second one field is available there. There is no relation between these two. Now, I want to provide link between these two. For example, previously I opened my application, HMS. Check it. Mari these two having relation or not? This username and this one relation. How? Right click, view page source. Now you have to check it. There is something is there, sir. What it is? No. What is the tag? Label. So this label and the input to both should be linked together. So whenever I want to display something to the end user, now I want to display what I want to display. One label and this one. Now come to our example. Sir, how to provide the label into here? For example, remove this label tag game. Inside, whatever I want to provide, give this one. Enter name. Save. Whenever I'm given label, come to here, this page, refresh. Now both are linked. No. Where is the relation? Tell. Oh, if sorry. Okay. Name 1, name 2, name 3, name 4. 4 labels are there. One input I am given. Now, is there any relation is there? No. Both are again different elements only. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. All different elements only. That is one label tag. We have to provide relation between those two. Yes. How to create relation means observe, sir. Sir, now also no relation, even though I'm given label tag, input tag only. How to provide means there is one attribute is there, sir. What is the attribute? For. Yes or no? For attribute, input I have to take one ID. I have to take one ID. Whatever both you have to provide a link, you have to give same. For example, ID equal to name and I'm given name. Then the relation should be happen between label and input. Now we have to check it, refresh. Now both are relation. This is the label name of this text box. Like that, we need to provide the relation. How to provide it? Label contains a attribute for, input contains attribute ID. Both should be compulsory same. Then only this is a label to this text box. Like that we can provide it there. Now we have to refresh it. I removed the which one? Copy, paste. Go to app, refresh. Yes. Now I'm entering some name. Click on login. Thank you page came or not? Now it should be a label. So this is the label for this text box, because here I am given some ID, here I am given for attribute. If both values are same, then it should be label and value. Like that we can provide labels. So how to create a label? We can define label text for our HTML elements, like maybe it is a radio button, or maybe it is a text boxes, or maybe it is a checkboxes, anything. By using which tag, sir? Label tag. Syntax, how it is coming just now? This one. Label per field. Instead I have to give name. Label is the closed. For example, first I'm given an example. In this one, I have to take the paragraph tag. Enter name. Close the paragraph tag. Now, instead I want to give this one. Input type. Copy. No, this is I can provide. Here both are independent elements. There is no relation. Once you can execute, you need to check the result. Both should be independent components. Two components are available there. Why you don't upload yesterday class? And because of today I will upload. Today I will upload. Okay, na? Yesterday notes already is there. Okay, table creation. Today I will upload. Yeah, today I will create now new classroom. Okay, I will upload it today. I will use that Google Classroom code also. So now, in this case, there is no relation between text box and the data. To link data to the text box, we have to use label tag. Admin already created new classroom now. Okay, I will ask. Then now, what I was doing is these two lines, label for ID. Then both have some relation should be happened there. So the value of for attribute should be same as ID attribute value compulsory. Means here whatever I am given for value, ID value, then only these two can be linking each together. That is the meaning of the label creation. Sir, now observe here. From action, thank you.html is there. After that, yesterday, one more is there. What it is? Method. Two types of methods are there. One is get or one is post. Sir, what is the meaning of the get? And what is the meaning of the post? Get and post. Next level Django, I will give full clarity. Whenever I'm sending request, whether is it a get request or post request, based on our user action, it will be decided. Is it a get request or post request? But present in this situation, what is the meaning of this get? What is the meaning of our post? For example, see, refresh. Sir, observe, whenever I am entering name, if I am clicking on login, what is the page it should be displayed? Thank you dot HTML page will be displayed. Okay, done. Sir, I am entering as a Mahesh, I can provide it there. Once I click on login, the page is coming, not coming. Yes, sir. It is available there. Now, refresh, not refresh. Actually, it is not coming. Whenever I'm using get, sir, here, whatever value, that value, 1 minute, please. Name, I'm not given anything. Name, text, ID. Refresh, Mahesh, yes. Sir, whatever value I'm given, am I getting name equal to Mahesh or not? Yes. Get means whatever value you're providing, internally in the input, three attributes are there. One is type, second one value, third one name. What is the use of the name? SD I'm telling na in targeted page, next page, whatever value you are entering, whatever I'm entering, name equal to Mahesh. And it is checking in the database in upcoming, the values available, not available, it will be displayed. For example, refresh, I am entering as a Sunny. Click on login. What it displayed? The name equal to Sunny. What is the name I provided? This one. So in the name, whatever end user provided, the data will be stored into in this name variable. Same. Sir, I am given what I am given now. Post. Come to here. Refresh. Now I am entering Mahesh. Login. Where is the data? Show me. Any data is there? No. That is the major difference of get and post. But in coming to Django classes, what is the get request? What is the post? When Django will getting, is it a get request or post request? Different ways are there. But intentionally, if I'm provided, that is the difference between main get and post. Get means whatever end user provided, it will be displayed to the next targeted page. If I'm given post, the value not displaying. See, if I'm given get, come to here, refresh. I'm entering something Sunny. Click on login. Am I getting that data or not? That is the get. Post means see here, the get means in the top at the time of URL, whatever data we are entering, it will be displaying at the time of get. If I'm given post, the data will not be displayed. It should be displayed in the encapsulated format. For example, see here where it is. One minute. Yeah, by default get only, but at least at the time of Django server, get different ways are there. Directly we are sending request, it is the get request. Okay. If you are clicking on hyperlink, it is also get request. If a method given as a get, that is also get request. But depends upon situation, I can make it as a post request also. But present I am telling what is the difference between get and post, that is I am telling. Next in upcoming classes, what is a get request, post request? At the time of Django server, by default, it is a get request only. But I don't want to display the name. Then I can make it as a post request. Sir, in case of the get method, the data will be appended to the URL and send to the next page. For example, this one. Whenever I'm entering data, this is the meaning of get request. In URL, whatever data I'm entering, it is passed. Whereas in post method, the data will be encapsulated inside the request body and not visible in URL. How to take that data, that is also I will tell. Present, if I'm taking post, go to here, refresh, send the Mahesh, login. I'm not getting anything in the targeted page, just URL will be displayed. That is the difference. Get means compulsory display name. Post means it not display the name. That is the get and post. So now, at the time of type, yesterday I'm telling now, different types are there. Text, password, email, color, radio, checkbox. And one more is there. What it is? Submit. Sir, if I have multiple submit buttons are there. For example, how to create multiple submit buttons in a page. Multiple submit buttons in a page. For example, come to here. Sir, first one, student registration form. Okay, not required. Label. Not required this one also. Sir, input. Type equal to text, name equal to, I'm given as a some username, placeholder, enter name, required. Fine. Input type submit, name equal to observe, value equal to I can provide that add. Second one, remove. Third one, update. Save. Observe what is happening here. Check the execution. Save. Come to here. Refresh. What is happened there? I can provide some placeholder, enter name, add, remove, update. I can provide that there. I want to display one by one. What to do? You have to give break. BR tag. You have to go with BR. Now save. Come to here, refresh. So now see what it is asking. Enter name. I'm clicking on add button, remove button, update button. For example, I want to enter some student details. Maybe I want to add the Mahesh details, or maybe I want to remove Mahesh details, or maybe I want to update the Mahesh details. Whenever I'm clicking on add button, sir, what is happened here? Thank you for registration. We'll provide update soon. I'm not getting anything here because maybe it is a post. I can make it as what it is. Get. Now observe. Come back, refresh. Now enter the name Mahesh. If I'm click on add, what I'm getting? Username equal to Mahesh came. For example, the problem is what I'm getting here. I'm given as a name I can provide it there. But what I'm clicking on that? Add. But I don't want require this name here. You can use some attribute. What it is? Action. Observe. I can given some action. I'm given some action. Now come to application. You have to refresh. Enter the Mahesh. Click on add. Now what is happening here? What is the name I can enter? Mahesh. What is the action? Add. Now I don't want this one remove. Come to here. Refresh. Add name. Mahesh. Click on add. Now check it carefully. What I'm getting? Action. And I want to add some Mahesh details into the backend database. Now we have to write the JavaScript code. What we have to write? The value will be stored into which one? Action. Now I have to write some normal code. If action equal to add, I need to add the data. If action equal to update, like that, see here. See the URL. How it is coming. This is the first URL. Okay. Observe. If I'm entering the refresh, if I'm entering as a Mahesh, remove. Sir, what is the URL it is coming? Remove or not? Yes. Suppose I want to go to this, refresh, enter the details. I'm clicking on update. So if you performing every time based on your action, the value will be changes, not changes. Changes. Tomorrow, how to write the code? We have to write, take one variable. Sir, it is not exactly good. Some basic idea I'm telling. I'm sending one request dot. There is a method is there. Get a parameter. What is the parameter I'm storing? Action or not? Yes. Whenever I'm sending request, get parameter. What is that parameter? This one, action. If the action I stored into which variable? Action variable. Now I have to write the condition. If action equal to what it is? Add. What to do? We have to perform some add functionality. And we have to write the Python code. For example, elif action equal to what it is? Remove colon. We have to perform a remove functionality. We have to write. For example, if it is a elif action equal to update. Now perform the update functionality. So like that, this is the basic idea I'm telling. This is not exact code we have to write, because how next we have to do? Whenever user performing, user clicking on add button or remove button, update button, that value will be stored into which attribute? Name attribute. That's why I am reading that one by using get parameter. That value will be stored into one variable. If the variable is add it. Remove, update, you can update it. Like that, we need to provide sir functionalities. This is the way how to create our multiple submit buttons. Name stores key. Name stores action. Whatever given here, the value will be stored. That's why I'm forwarded. See what it is. Action equal to which action we are performing, it will be stored. Sir, yesterday, there are some interviews they are conducted, and in that some 18 to 90 members came. In that first question, I'm asking this one. Here, what symbol I'm using? Equal to equal to. First question I'm asking, what is the difference between is operator and equal to operator? I asked yesterday 15 questions. End of the session we will see. This question I asked yesterday. Some guys are telling correct, some guys are they are telling is operator is a membership operator. Is it a membership operator? Which type of operator is operator? Identity. What is the difference between is and equal to equal to? Is and equal to equal to. Yes, sir. What is the difference? Again, he started asking questions like that. You are thinking, two functions. Sir, remember only one single question answer you have to tell. Is meant for address comparison. Enough. Equal to meant for what it is content comparison. Because previously somewhere else I'm given some example also. L1 equal 10, 20, 30, 40. Sorry, L2 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Yesterday I'm asking this question. L is L2. L1 equal to L2. What is the answer I'm asking? What is the output? First one, very good. Second one, false. First one, true. Python completed only. And what is the answer? First one, true. No. That just now what I'm telling is meant for address. L1, L2 addresses are different. False. Both content is same. True. False and true is your answer. If you have any doubt, don't confuse you. Test.py. This question also I asked yesterday. Today I will ask what is that? Anyone telling correct answer here? Yes, false, true. Second one is false anta. Second false. Both are true anta. Same answer. Same answer. And D drive. CD my classes py test.py. Sorry. I didn't save it. Old program output came. Not getting any answer because of print statement is not there. Now check it. First one false, second one true. Sir, why false means how to clarify? You can ask ID of L1, you can ask ID of L2. You only get the answer. Both addresses are different. ID meant for address always identity. Equal to meant for internal content. Both are same or not same? Yes, that is called as what it is operator and equal to. Yes, that question yesterday I'm asking, no one given proper answer. So now, please tell carefully. This is the simple question only. A is B. Hmm. A is B. A equal to B. False, true. False. What is the output? True or not? False, true. True, correct. True, correct. But now why it is taken here is equal to true I am getting. Previously L1 I am getting false. Any idea? But previous? Sare. What is the answer? Mesere. Huh? False true. Why? What I'm getting? Sir, you can find out these things. Why it is suppose if I'm given 1.2 and 1.2. Now please tell true and so okay. These things you need to check it. What is happening there? How it is coming? Is and equal to equal. You can take integers, float, boolean, strings. Those middle false and true and okay now. So now come to here. This one. Okay, fine. So now I'm creating which one? Submit. For example, sometimes I want to create the radio buttons. Implementing radio buttons. So how to implement the radio button? Go to here. I want to go with remove all these. Label. First label I can provide it there. What is the label I'm given? Yes. After that, I want to give which one? Input tag. Type equal to what it is? Radio. Radio I can provide it there. After that, the value not required. Next, again take another one, copy, paste. Next one is what it is? No. Radio button I can provide it there. But both should be values I want to give now. Here, yes, I want to give because I want to provide link between these two. ID equal to. Okay, done. Next here for equal to no. And I have to give ID equal to no. Now, what will happen? Is it created? Sorry, first one I have to give something I want to give na H1. I'm asking, are you married or not? Now see, label for yes, I both are same. Yes, one radio button displayed, second radio button displayed. Come to here. Refresh. Sir, came or not came? came. Now, are you married or unmarried? Unmarried. So click on no. Sir, suppose if I am clicking on yes, what will happen, sir? Married. My question is, no will be disabled and yes will be enabled or not? Yes or no? That is the meaning of radio button. But check it, what happened? And married and unmarried you. Neutral. Really not married, in imagination married. Somewhere else. But what is the problem here? Radio button is only one option or not? Sir, tomorrow I am the developer, I'm implemented. I'm asking select gender. You have to select male or female only. Can you select both? Mari, I am a developer, I did mistake, not end user mistake. This is what is the problem here? Whenever I'm clicking on yes, compulsory it should be disabled. Okay, you refresh. Whenever refresh means now application loaded. If you're married, yes, okay, I can understand. If you are selecting both radio buttons means what is the meaning? Why it is accepting both? The reason is, observe here. In your application, sir, ID equal to yes, type equal to radio, okay. Name value are given, both are empty, okay. You have to give something value, common value both. Suppose I am asking what it is, married. Here also I can ask married. Now you have to check it. Name value, yes, name should be same, you can provide. Now refresh. Yes. Are you married? Yes. Are you married? No. Yes. No. Only one option can be given choice. That is the take care by who will take care? Developer, not by end user. As a developer, I did mistake. I am not given name attribute. Then is it allowing end user to select both or not? That is the problem. So you have to give both name value should be same. This is the way how to create. This one is enough. Copy, come to here, paste it. That is the way of creating. Sir, when we go for radio button, several options are available. But we have to select only one option. Then best choice is radio button. I can provide it there. Sir, for example, I want to provide it. See, I want to attend some exam. I want to give in. This is some sample question I can provide it there. I want to give in as a multiple radio buttons. Radio equal to type, no labels. Remove this. Remove this. Type equal to radio. Okay. Name equal to I'm given. First question. Question 1. Value equal to I'm given A, B. I have one more, 2 options are there. Multiple choice question. C. I have to give D. And here I have to give the options A, B, C, D. I can provide it. BR tag. Break. Break, break, break. Okay, done. Now come to here. Refresh. A is gone. Why? A is not there. Sorry. And now, this is one sample question is there. I have to provide that we have to select which is the correct option, either A or B or C or D. Okay, fine. But previously at the time of examination, I'm asking question, For that question, two are the correct answers, A and C, or B and D, or A and D. I want to select any two options I want to select. Then radio button is not applicable. We need to go for which one? Check boxes, we need to go that one. Because I want to select the multiple choices. Then this radio button is not applicable. Here it can be accepted only. One can be accepted there. Then I need to go for checkbox. Implementing the checkbox. So how to do this checkbox? Same thing. Remove radio. Give the checkbox. 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 Now I have to select. Choose all valid options. Now come to here, refresh. I have to select all options. Okay, A, B are the correct answers. Or else if I want to go with B, D, correct answers. Then to go for which one? Check boxes is the best choice if multiple options are available there. This is the way how to implementing our check boxes. For example, I want to provide it. Choose your known languages. So now checkbox, checkbox, checkbox. It is language. Language. Language I can provide it. Language I can provide it. Value. First I can provide it English. After that, Telugu. Next, Hindi. Next, Tamil. Here, ENG, sorry, English. I can provide it Telugu, Hindi, Hindi, Tamil. Tamil I can provide it. And now, copy this, save. Yeah, I will tell. Sir, now what to do? Go to here. You have to refresh. Sir, choose your own languages, English, Telugu, Hindi. If I go English and Hindi, click on Submit. See, whatever language I can provide it. The language English and Hindi, we can provide it there. If we know only one language, Telugu, click on Login. It should be displayed. Then need to go for which one? Check boxes. Sir, for example, now my requirement is, this is the way how to implementing the check boxes radio button. If only one option, I need to go radio button. If I want to go for multiple, I want to go with check boxes. For example, next my choice I'm given, choose your country, or I'm asking choose your state. Country means then how many countries are there? So many are there or not? Mari, can I display all the countries in my web page? Here, can I display all the countries' names? Suppose select your state. How many are there? 26 or 27? 29. Sorry. Can I display all the 29 states in the web page? No. But what to do? Because states means 29 options I have to provide it. You have to select checkbox. Multiple states are something. And if you want to select the country, there are a number of countries are there. Total my web page will be occupied with that states and countries only. At that time we go to next one. What it is? Drop down. Because if multiple selections, only one, several options, only one I want to select radio button. If several options are there, multiple selections, then I have to go to checkbox. If several options, so many are there, in that one or two I want select. Best choice is which one? Drop box or select boxes. How to implement drop down or select boxes. Sir, here I want to provide it. Choose your to give state. I can provide it there. Remove all these. Sir, what did I go select? Not required. Remove. Sir, how to display all these lagging? Sir, inside select which tag I go with? Option tag. I can provide it. First I want to give. Maybe it's lagging screen. Yeah. Net disconnected anukunta. 1 minute. Multiple options are there. Andhra Pradesh, I am given AP. Next, Telangana. I go with TS. Next one, Tamil Nadu. I can go with TN. Next, I can go with Karnataka. I can go with KA. Now, select a tag is there. I can provide it there. Save this. Come to here. Refresh. Values are came. Andhra. If I want to Tamil Nadu. If I want to select Karnataka. Save 2, 3 also. After Karnataka, Maharashtra, MH. Anymore? Bihar, BH. Odisha. In our state, chapter Adi Delhi. OD. Now, I have to, yes, all the states are available there. Which is I can require, I want to select. Sir, for example, I want to select the multiple, then maybe I am belonging to Andhra and Telangana, both. I am there in Andhra, I am here in Telangana, both. I want to select 2. Then what to do? Here only one selection possible, check it. If you want to go Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu. If you want to go Telangana, Telangana. If you want to go Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. Only one. I have to select 2 states. Because I have Aadhaar card in Andhra, I am staying in Telangana. Here also something card is available there. I have both selected. How to select both? Then I can go for checkbox. Then I want to display all the 29 states. No. The option is, sir, here select class equal to state. There is one attribute is there. What is the attribute? Multiple. Then you have to go your application, refresh. Okay, na? Is one day. Some drop down came. Suppose I want to select Telangana, Andhra. Both are selected or unselected? Yes, both should be selected there. If you submit button, click on submit, both will be coming to the picture. Control. Suppose if you want to go another one, Karnataka also, Bihar also. Multiple sections are coming, not coming. Then you need to go with which attribute? multiple attribute. So this is the way how to create of what it is, drop down. Sir, one thing I'm missing, for example, see, previously I'm implementing checkbox, okay now? Choose known language. Hindi, Telugu. Sir, some application, check it. Whenever I open a SpiceJet, I want to book the tickets. I by default open one application. I'm not doing anything. By default, which radio button selected? One way selected, not selected. So like that, whenever application open, one radio button by default I want to select. You can continue. If you don't want, you can select round trip. That option I want to provide. For example, in previous example, I want to take these languages, copy, come to here. Paste it. By default, I am providing Telugu. By default, I want to select the Telugu. Then checkbox kada. Sorry. Radio button. Sorry. Where is radio button? This one. Are you married? Yes, no. Sir, save. Now check it. Sir, is it selected anything by default? No. My requirement is whenever I open the page, by default, it should be in the select S mode. Okay. If you are not married, you can click on no and you can go to the login button. How to select by default one radio button? Just like this application only. Here, whenever I can refresh, whenever open the SpiceJet, by default, one radio button selected. Which one? One way. I'm not doing any operation. By default, application select one way. Sir, if you want to round trip, select the round trip. Second calendar should be enabled. How to do this one means, then there is one property is there. Default attribute. No. Yeah. What is the default attribute? That one. Sir, which one you want to select? Yes. So here you can give a property. What it is? Checked property. Now you have to check it. Refresh. By default, am I doing any operation? No. If you want to go with no, select the no. If you refresh application, which is selected? Yes. Because I checked that property. If you want to know, no. If you refresh application, by default, always which one came? S button should be came. That is the one property is there, checked property. So implementing the drop downs. Now, what is the radio versus checkbox versus select box? Sir, what is the difference between all these? If few options are available and we have to choose only one option, then I want to go with which one? Radio button. If few options are available and we can, yes, we can select any number of options. Then we can go with checkbox. But what is the, what it is, drop down? If very huge number of, yes, options are available and we can select any number of options. Then we go for drop down, or we can call it as the radio button, checkbox, and these things. So finally, only one thing is there. That is, suppose I'm entering some hospital management. I want to give feedback. In this window, please check. What is the type of this one? Text box. This one, text box. What about this one? This box. For example, if I'm typing, is it coming, not coming? What it is? Chat box. Chat box. What is this window? Feedback ante we have to give some feedback to this hospital. That hospital is good or bad, how doctors behavior, this, that, everything, not chat box. So this is right click, view page source. Label. Yes. Button, message. Gonde. Check it, sir. What it is? Text area. Because I want to give the something number of lines and columns. So, sir, here how many columns they can accepted? 50. Ante 50 characters. How many rows? 5 rows. ID they can give a message. Last final one, what it is? Text area, sir. The last one. There all the different tags are there. Text area. I want to go with, come to here. In this one, remove this. Okay, done. I want to give H1 tag. Enter feedback. What it is? Text area I can provide that name equal to feedback, number of rows 80, column I can provide it there. Submit button, login button. I want to take something BR. Now come to the application. Not this one. Come to the browser. Master page, this one. Yes. But what happened? Search only, the problem is, am I getting test area or same code? Whatever code I'm written here getting. The problem is, I did a small mistake. What that? I'm not closing tag. That is the mistake. Save, come to here, refresh. Then the text area came or not came? Yes. Whenever I'm typing something, I'm typing, login. Yes. Thanks for your registration. Like that, we have to give thanks for your feedback. Like that, we can provide that. That is the last one, sir. What it is? Text area. So these are all the maximum tags are there into HTML page. After that, finally, one more is there. Tomorrow I will tell that story. HTML validations. Validations means, for example, SDM given simple example also. If I want to go to username, I'm not entering username, click on login. Is it validating, not validating? Yes, enter a valid something. Suppose SDM given something, mail ID. I'm given just ABC. I'm not given at the rate. Then is it validating or not? Yes, validating. For example, if does not suppose here, see, your mail ID, okay na? I'm given ABC. I'm given something name. I'm given something. I want to action. Please check it. What they are telling. Babu, please include at the rate in the email address. Getting, not getting. So minimum validation, is it checking, not checking? Those are only. Those checkings yesterday explained something. What we discussed yesterday. Some data compulsory, mandatory have to entered. What it is? Required or not? Required. Second one, I'm given what it is. Email. Compulsory at the rate should be contained. After that, minimum and maximum length. How to do this one? For example, I want to go with Gmail application. I want to create an account for myself. A, B, C. See this. What they are asking? How it is validating? Minimum you can enter 6, maximum 30. For example, I'm entering password. I'm giving single letter. I'm giving single letter. If you go to this one now, not accepted. Both should be same, or else you have to give something, one uppercase compulsory, one special symbol compulsory. These things, those validations, minimum validations how to validate. Django different story will be there. Here by default HTML validations are there. I want to enter password. Minimum contains 8 characters. How to check this? For this, we have to use these two things. We have to use regular expressions. In the regular expressions, we have to write some patterns now. If I want to accept only, sir, what is the meaning of this one now? A to Z. Regular expressions. Capital A to capital Z. 0 to 9. /D. /capital D. /W. /capital W. There are some classes are there, character classes, predefined classes, quantifiers, 3 types of classes are there. Based on that, we have to write our regular expressions. Same here also, we have to do this type of things. Sir, check it. Observe. Input type is text box, name value, maximum length how many? 20. What they are using? Pattern. Ante regular pattern we can use. Required is a one attribute. In pattern you can check. What is the meaning? A to Z. How many? 4. First name with 4 to 20 characters only. So this type of regular expressions patterns we have to write for our validations. For example, last name they are given some restriction. Check it. Compulsory pattern should be there. It should accept how many characters? Only one. If we accepted more, it won't accept it there. So this type of patterns you have to write. If you want to write these patterns means compulsory we should have knowledge about the which one? Regular expressions. Those are required. So that is the today class. What is the feedback tab? Pop up at a different tab. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check it now. Previously answers, now answers. The difference should be there. Check it. Sir, I'm given A equal to 10. I'm B equal to 10. I'm asking A is B. True or not? True. A equal to 300. B equal to 300. A is B. You will get false. If I'm given A equal to 1.2, B equal to 1.2, A is B. False. If I'm given A equal to 10 plus 3j, B equal to 10 plus 3j, I I'm asking A is B. True or false? True, false. You have to check it, why it is coming true, why it is coming false, and all those things. If I'm given A equal to Sunny, if I'm given B equal to Sunny, A is B. True. Syntax error వదిలిపోయింది. But it is true. So these things at the time of starting data type, first chapter, I am explaining this one. All the things, when it is true, when it is false, what is the reason, all those things. Why it is coming sometimes true, why it is coming sometimes false, means you have to compare always only is meant for what it is. Address. If both addresses are same, true, otherwise false. By seeing these questions, you are not in a position to tell the answers. Because how can I identify that address? Content I know. But how can I identify address? Observe A equal to 1.2. Always I am asking content only. Then you have to tell, sir, how can I recognize that addresses? You need to ask ID of A. You can ask ID of the B. ID of A. ID of B. Both are same or different? Different. That's why I'm asking A is B. False. Are A equal to B? True, because 1.2, 1.2 both content are same. True. Is meant for address, equal to meant for content comparison. Sir, what it is yesterday? First one, what I'm asking, is operator and equal to operator difference. Second one, just now I'm given that question. Already previously I'm asking to you 10, 20, 30. This question I'm asking 30, 40. I'm given y equal to x. I changed y of 1 equal to 333. I'm asking print of x and I'm asking print of y values. Some 2, 3 guys given correct answer. Remaining all are telling wrong answers only. Sir, what is the x values? Already explained in our classroom. X values 10, 20, 20, 30. Y values 10, 333. Sorry. 30, 40. Is it correct? I already explained in the classroom. Again, you are telling wrong answer. Correct answer. X also 10, 333, 30, 40. Y also, because what is the meaning of y equal to x? Aliasing, one object, two references, both are affected. That's why I'm telling you have to take the cloned copy. By using copy function and slice operator, we need to use compulsory. Yes. Yes. Okay, remember this one already explained in our classroom. Both X and Y should be affected because it is aliasing, not the cloning. The third one I'm asking, can you please tell about tell and seek methods? What is the tell and seek? Anyone? No idea? Tell and seek method. Fourth one, this already explained. Pickling and unpickling I am asking. Next, garbage collection and destructor I am asking.